In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy layer effects in Photoshop quickly and correctly so you can save time and keep your design workflow moving fast. If you've ever added a great shadow, glow, bevel, or stroke to one layer and wanted to apply the exact same look to another layer, this is the easiest way to do it. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Photoshop project and look down at your layers panel. This is where all of your layers are stacked, and it's also where you'll be able to see any layer styles that have already been applied. If a layer has effects, you'll notice a small FX icon on the right side of that layer row. Under it, you may also see the individual styles expanded out, such as drop shadow, outer glow, inner shadow, or stroke. That tells you the layer already has effects attached to it. Now, choose the layer that has the effects you want to copy. This is your source layer. Once you've identified it, hold down the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on Mac. This step is important because it tells Photoshop that you want to duplicate the effects instead of moving them. With the key still held down, click and hold directly on the word Effects or on the FX icon itself. Then drag your cursor onto the layer you want to apply those same effects to. This is your target layer. As soon as you release the mouse button over that target layer, Photoshop will copy the layer effects over for you. It's that simple. The new layer will now have the same styling applied, which is perfect if you want a consistent look across text layers, shapes, or design elements. This method is especially useful when you're building thumbnails, social graphics, logos, or any project where repeating the same style saves a lot of time. Now, there's one very important tip to remember. If you drag the FX icon without holding Alt or Option, Photoshop will move the effects off the original layer instead of copying them. So if your goal is to duplicate the style, always make sure that modifier key is pressed before you drag. That one small detail makes all the difference. You can also use this trick over and over again if you need to copy the same effects to multiple layers. Just repeat the process on each target layer, and your design will stay consistent without having to rebuild every style manually. This is one of those Photoshop shortcuts that seems simple, but once you use it, it can seriously speed up your editing workflow. So to recap, find the source layer with the FX icon, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac, drag the effects or FX icon onto the target layer, and release to copy the layer styles. If you found this helpful, make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for more Photoshop tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.